shit when I was up. Incarcerating the victims to police are corrupt. Public service and gross misconduct. Open your eyes and wake the fuck up. The squeezy little pigs have stitched you up. No rest for the wicked little pigs are swung. There's a special place just for you. When injustice karma will come and there's nowhere to hide, so run, pigs run. The funds are high places, it's alright for some. When you're socially profiled, it ain't no fun. When you need protection, where you gonna turn? Cause the piggies ain't your pals, and that's a lesson. And it is set up to fail, so don't be so surprised. They'll slander your name if you dare to criticize. Open your eyes and see through the lies. Fake news poisoning your minds. Open your eyes and see through the lies. Fake news poisoning your minds. Without our companies, our literature, our substance, our joy, our brilliance, our sheer relentlessness, and our ability to tell our own stories. Stories that are different from the ones we're being brainwashed to believe. The corporate revolution will collapse if we refuse to buy what they're selling. Their ideas, their version of history, their wars, their weapons, their notion of inevitability. Remember this, we be many and they be few. They need us more than we need them. And though the world is not only possible, it's on her way. And on a quiet day, I can hear her breathing. I gather around and listen in. I got a important message that I am